These massive machines don't just work, they constantly face dangerous and unpredictable situations. And right now, you're about to witness the incredible power of these gigantic machines firsthand. Oh no! A woolly mammoth attacks a bulldozer, its immense strength violently hurling the machine into the air. Situations like these go beyond all expectations and are truly dangerous. The JCB 426 ZX wheel loader is carrying out the task of restoring an aging bridge. With years of proven performance and a 6-cylinder engine producing nearly 150 HP, its 2.3 cubic meters bucket lifts massive loads of soil in just seconds. Thanks to its powerful hydraulic system and flexible wheels, the machine continuously scoops, pivots, and dumps material with precision. Layer after layer of soil and rock is scooped up as the Caterpillar excavator works for hours on end. With an engine of around 200 HP, the machine can scoop up to 2 cubic meters per cycle, rotating 360 degrees to move material to the bank and reopen the water flow in the canal. Its hydraulic system precisely controls the boom, arm, and bucket in perfect coordination, allowing it to dig and drain at the same time, restoring the channel in a short time. If you like this machine like I do, don't forget to comment 1. Towering like a massive beast in the coal mine, this giant machine weighs around 250 tons, with a bucket capacity of 15 cubic meters. Its diesel engine, producing over 1,000 horsepower, allows it to dig and load deep layers of coal, handling dozens of tons of material in just seconds per cycle. It operates continuously for 12 hours straight. If you love powerful machines and heart-stopping moments, follow now to discover even more. The scene quickly turns chaotic. On a treacherous mountain road, a bus is stuck in the middle of a dirt track. With no other option, passengers must get off immediately to make the rescue easier, as a massive Komatsu excavator slowly pulls the vehicle forward. Every stretch of the journey is truly rough and dangerous. a floating bridge built in under 30 minutes. With a load capacity of up to 70 tons, this temporary bridge allows military vehicles, heavy trucks, and armored units to cross safely in emergency conditions. The system works by linking floating pontoons with a sturdy metal framework, forming a stable roadway even in continuous water flow. Pretty impressive, isn't it?
Dachs ausgestattet mit einem Rollschild und einem Baggerarm mit Tiefwürfel sowie Berge.
The street is being torn apart by heavy machinery. A Caterpillar excavator is digging up layers of soil beneath the road, preparing for a brand new roadway to take shape. With its powerful engine, it works quickly and efficiently, delivering impressive productivity. A crowd gathers together, straining to keep the machine from sliding backward. Carrying 20 tons of cargo, the vehicle struggles to maintain balance even on a small incline. Fortunately, with the added strength of a few men, it manages to push forward safely. Do you know what this is? It's a drawbridge that can lift open, forcing vehicles in front to stop and make way for much larger vessels. Commonly installed in river areas, can you see that massive machine moving through? Once it passes, the bridge lowers back down and operates as normal. In the vast mining site, the P&H 4100 XPC excavator operates continuously for long hours. Its 73 cubic meters bucket easily scoops massive loads of rock and soil, handling up to 100 tons in a single pass. Powered by a high-capacity electric system, the machine uses a cable-driven mechanism to pull the bucket into the mine face, then retracts it with immense force to break through solid rock. like a complete mess. A tractor and a Chevy 4x4 are struggling to break free from thick, heavy mud. Every movement feels helpless, but luckily, a larger tractor steps in, using all its power to pull the vehicle upward. Show your support for this machine by commenting 1. A spectacular rescue by a truck crane. Using its massive boom, it lifts the truck into the air with surprising ease. In just a few short minutes, it safely sets it back down on the ground. The Komatsu machine is equipped with an engine of around 200 horsepower. With each reach of its boom, it can scoop up to 4 tons of material, then rotate 360 degrees to dump it precisely into the truck below. Its high-pressure hydraulic system works in perfect coordination, helping the machine maintain balance on sloped terrain. It steadily removes layer after layer of soil and rock, leveling an entire large hill. A disaster strikes during the trip. An expedition truck gets stuck at the river's edge, its wheels sinking deep into the wet mud. After struggling for a while without success, it has to wait for a Sumitomo excavator to slowly pull it out. After a tough recovery, the vehicle is finally freed, but its wheels are badly damaged. Leveling the road instantly, only a compactor can do it. A drum nearly 2 meters wide compresses each layer of material tightly. With a vibration frequency of 3,000 revolutions per minute and compaction forces of tens of tons, it eliminates air voids and increases soil density to over 95%. Thanks to the combination of vibration and weight, the surface is quickly smoothed and stabilized. Thank you for watching till the end. If you're passionate about giant machines and their incredible power, don't forget to follow for more.